Hello home bakers and welcome to Drmummycakes channel. In this video I'm going to talk to you about the different types of food colouring available. By watching this video you'll be able to know what types of food colouring are available and which one works best for your cake making and cake decorating needs. The first food colouring you might find is liquid food colouring. You're more likely to find this in your local supermarket. You're hardly going to use this in your baking or decorating. It has a high water content and the colours are not very vibrant. You certainly don't want to be putting this in your cake batter and definitely not in your buttercream because it has too much water. So you can give this one a miss. If there's one type of food colouring that every home baker needs, it's gel food colouring. These come in a whole wide range of different color combination. They can come in a tube like this, and the advantage of the tube is that it has a nozzle, so it's easy to squeeze out a drop at a time directly into what you're making. Or they can come in jars like these ones. The disadvantage with the jars is that you have to use something, so like a toothpick or cocktail stick, to scoop out the colouring and apply it to what you are making. These will work very well with just about every medium. They work well for colouring your cake batter, for colouring your buttercreams, for your fondant, ganache and royal icing. There are also specialist gel food colouring like this one by Colour Mill that are specially designed for mediums that have a high oil content. So they're perfect for getting vibrant colour in things like ganache and meringue based buttercream like Swiss meringue buttercream. So these are something to get if you are working with ganache or buttercream. But to be honest, you will still get good colouring with the standard gel food colouring. Next is powdered food colouring. I tend to use this more when I'm colouring fondant because it gives me a nice vibrant colour, but you could use it in other things like baking and buttercream, but they're quite expensive compared to the gel food colouring. You can also use them for dusting things like fondant again, or dusting your cake or dusting your buttercream. The last type of food colouring is your edible food dust. So these are used for dusting your cakes, buttercream, fondant. It can come in a powder form for use for directly dusting, or you can also get some that are already made into edible food paint, just like this. So these ones you pour and you paint. Or you can have food dust that you have to mix with some spirit based, such as rejuvenating spirit, and to make your edible paint to paint. So that is food colouring in a nutshell. I hope that you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Happy baking.